We're gonna fry some deep fried butter mushroom from start to finish, guys. Come along. Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today, guys. In Selvin Kitchen we have another awesome delicious recipe for you guys. We're gonna do a deep fry butter mushroom. Over here we have 1 pack of mushroom. We already clean already. Over here we have half a cup of plain flour. We have 1.5 cup of vegetable oil. You can use any type of vegetable oil for your like, for your preference. We have a pinch of salt. We have a teaspoon of all-purpose season. We have a teaspoon of garlic powder. We have a teaspoon of chili flakes. We have 1/4 teaspoon of dry thyme. And we have a tin of gingerbeer. So awesome, delicious recipe for you guys today, guys. So yes, guys, what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna sieve the flour. So any lump in that flour, we'll try to get out all of that lump. So we're just sieving the flour. All-purpose season. So we're just gonna add in the ginger beer bit by bit. What I'm gonna do now, guys, we're just gonna add in the vegetable oil. So what we're gonna do now, guys, we're just gonna coat the mushroom into that butter. So we just coat the mushroom, put the mushroom in here so it drains off all of that excess flour. So we have some big one and some small one. So doing the same treatment, just drain off all of that excess flour off of those mushrooms. So my oil already hot already, guys. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna add these one in it. Nice butter mushroom, guys. You guys can check out this beautiful recipe in Selvin Kitchen and tell me what you think, guys. Wow, you can smell that all-purpose season, you can smell that onion powder, everything that's rising up already, guys. Beautiful, awesome, delicious recipe, guys. You guys can check out this recipe and tell me what you think. Beautiful deep fry butter mushroom, guys. We're just gonna spin it around again, guys. Give it another turn on that side. So this one is all finished, guys. What we're gonna do now, we're just gonna take out this one. Get a nice bowl with a paper towel. So all of that excess oil, get that excess oil off of them. You want to give it more than 3 minutes. Yes guys, I just put in the last batch, the second batch in it. So you guys, please give me a thumbs up for the video, and please share and like the video with your friends and family. This is an awesome, delicious, easy recipe. If you guys want to try something new, you guys can follow this recipe. And if you guys watching the ads them guys, please don't skip them, please let them play. Yes guys, so this is the last batch. Yes my beautiful people, so this is all finished guys. This is the deep fried butter mushroom, nice and tasty with that ginger beer. We can taste that ginger in it guys. This is an awesome delicious recipe. You guys can check out this recipe and let me know. And if you try this recipe, please send me a little video. My email address is there, so please check it out guys, and please give me a thumbs up for the video, and please share the video with your friends and family. Selvin Kitchen. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe, love from Selvin Kitchen guys.